All right, today we're going to be talking about dot plots. Scatter plots, not really dot plots. Scatter plots and correlation. Okay, so we're going to identify a correlation of a relationship, and we can know that correlation does not mean causation. We'll talk about that in a second. All right, so we're talking about two variable statistics today. So here, they've created a beautiful scatter plot. There are dots everywhere. So a scatter plot is a graph of plotted points that show a relationship, or lack thereof, between two sets of data. So in the case of ice cream sales and temperature, there is a strong positive correlation because it has a positive slope. Okay? A correlation is a connection between two or more variables. Causation means an action that produces an effect. So when the sun's out, because it's hot, it's causing people to buy more ice cream. Because they're hot, they want to cool down. Okay? And it's also causing an increase in robberies and wherever they're at. But an increase of robberies is not causing ice cream sales to improve. So remember that correlation does not mean causation. Okay? Never does. It means that there needs to be more possibly research done into something. It means that you need to look more into it possibly, but it does not mean that it causes the other one. So this graph right here is trying to tell me that the number of sunglasses sold means that ice cream sales are going to increase. That's what it's trying to tell me. So it's trying to tell me that sunglasses directly impact ice cream sales. So let me ask you something. At a ski resort, and let's say their sunglasses sales increased, would they necessarily, and it's a blizzard outside, would they necessarily see an increase in ice cream sales that day? No, they wouldn't. So no, this is actually not true. But generally, sunglasses sales and ice cream sales will increase because the sun is out and it's hot. The sun is out, people want to wear sunglasses. It's hot, people want ice cream. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and look at this one. Look at the title and decide what is the graph trying to tell you. And then, is that true? Once you figured out that one, try this one out. So it says the number of people who drowned by falling into a pool, and Nicolas Cage films Nicolas Cage appeared in. Try to figure out what that graph's telling you, trying to tell you, and then decide, is it true or not? Okay, and once you finish with that, we'll come back and talk about correlation as values.